Welcome to the best picks. The best Cera Depiladora is probably one of the most effective ways to achieve smooth, hair-free skin for weeks. Unlike shaving, which only cuts hair at the surface, waxing with Cera Depiladora removes hair from the root, leading to slower regrowth and a softer feel. This method is widely used for various body parts, offering a longer-lasting solution compared to other hair removal techniques. Number 5. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for Sensitive Skin. This kit has been featured on CBS News, ABC, NBC, and Cosmopolitan. It's also gone viral on social media. This kit is a popular choice for a reason. The complete kit includes a digital wax warmer, hard wax beads, waxing sticks, pre-wax and after-wax sprays, protective collars, and a guide. It has everything you need for perfect at-home waxing. The waxing kits and hard wax beads are dermatologically tested and certified. This ensures they are safer for your skin. You can trust this product for your waxing needs. This kit is very beginner-friendly with an easy-to-understand manual. It also offers access to the WaxPal tutorial app. You can learn waxing techniques from licensed estheticians. It's tough on hair while being gentle on skin, making it ideal for sensitive areas. This makes it perfect for Brazilian or underarm waxing. You'll love the results. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for at-home waxing. It includes everything you need, from the warmer to the aftercare spray. If you're a beginner or prefer a hassle-free experience, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed to make waxing easy and effective, so you can achieve smooth skin with confidence. What people say. I just got into waxing from home, and this kit is perfect. The wax heats evenly, spreads smoothly, and grips the hair perfectly without that extra sting I used to feel at the salon. It's super easy to use, heats quickly, and is compact enough to store in my bathroom cabinet. Number 4. Bella Verde Waxing Kit. Introducing the Bella Verde Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth skin at home. This kit is designed for both women and men, offering a convenient and effective way to remove unwanted hair. It's perfect for various body areas, including the face, legs, and bikini area. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a professional waxing experience. It features a digital wax warmer, hard wax beads, applicators, pre- and post-wax sprays, and a detailed guide. It makes the process easy, even for beginners. The digital wax warmer provides precise temperature control for even wax melting. The LED display makes it easy to monitor and adjust the heat. This ensures the wax is always at the perfect temperature for effective hair removal. The hypoallergenic wax formula is gentle on sensitive skin, reducing redness and irritation. It's ideal for delicate areas like the eyebrows, lips, and bikini zone. This wax is dermatologically tested and designed for comfort. Enjoy smooth, silky skin for up to 4 weeks with this waxing kit. It removes hair from the root, delaying regrowth and preventing ingrown hairs. It works effectively on all hair types, from coarse to fine. The Bella Verde Waxing Kit is a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking spa-quality results at home. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to use and store. Give the gift of smooth skin for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This kit features a digital wax warmer with adjustable temperature settings, ensuring even melting and optimal wax temperature. It's formulated for sensitive skin, minimizing irritation and redness. If you are looking for a kit that delivers long-lasting results and is gentle on your skin, this is the one for you. What people say. The product works very well. The design is very practical and easy to use. Number 3. Tress Wellness Bikini Star Wax Kit. Introducing the Tress Wellness Wax Beads, specially designed for sensitive skin. This product is dermatologically tested, ensuring it's safe for your face and body. It's the perfect solution for at-home hair removal. This Brazilian hard wax is ideal for coarse hairs, making it perfect for your bikini and underarm area. It effectively removes even the most stubborn hairs. The blue wax beads are tough on hair, while remaining soft on your skin. The kit includes a 1.2 pounds bag of specially formulated bikini hair removal wax. Also included are 12 application spatulas, everything you need for a smooth waxing experience. The original wax beads are dermatologically tested and certified to minimize irritation. The company never tests its body waxes on animals, ensuring a cruelty-free product. The specially formulated hard wax beads can be used at your perfect temperature. This smoothest formula strip-free wax will glide on for your smoothest home waxing application experience. Included is an awesome waxing guide created with estheticians. It's packed with useful tips and tricks for both beginners and experienced waxers. This guide will help you achieve professional results at home. What we like. This wax is specially formulated for coarse hair, making it ideal for areas like the bikini and underarms. It's dermatologically tested to minimize irritation. If you like a wax that is tough on hair but gentle on skin, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It grabs the hair well and doesn't irritate my skin like other waxes do. It melts evenly, applies smoothly, and hardens just right, strips needed. Perfect for the bikini line and underarms. The best hard wax I've tried so far and my go-to from now on. My armpit and leg hair are both pretty fine and this did a great job. These beads are incredibly easy to use, melting quickly and evenly to create a smooth, creamy wax that grips hair without sticking to the skin. The wax effectively removes even the shortest and coarsest hair, leaving the skin silky smooth. Number 2. XSOUL IPL Hair Removal Device. This device uses advanced IPL technology to reduce hair growth, giving you flawlessly smooth skin. It brings the professional results of a beauty salon to your home. Please note that it is a plug-in device, not wireless. With over 999,999 flashes, this device is designed for years of use. This saves you money on expensive laser hair removal treatments. It's a cost-effective solution for long-term hair reduction. It offers 5 power levels to suit your skin's sensitivity. You can easily adjust the power with the on-off button. Start with level 1 and increase as needed for comfortable and effective hair removal. It features both manual and auto modes for versatile use. Use manual mode for precise areas like the bikini line and armpits. Auto mode is perfect for larger areas such as legs and arms. Please avoid using it on eyebrows. Your purchase includes a 36-month warranty and a 100-day money-back guarantee. You'll also receive razors, protective eyewear, an instruction manual, and a hair and skin color card. Follow the instructions for best results. What we like. This device uses advanced IPL technology to break the cycle of hair regrowth. With 999,999 flashes, it offers years of use. If you are looking for a long-term hair removal solution, this is a great investment. It's designed to bring the professionalism of the beauty salon to you. What people say. It really does work. I had laser done about 10 years ago on most my body. It is easy to use and goes really fast once you're used to handling it. I have been using it on a level 3 for my legs and bikini area. It can get a little hot, but I've started doing one full side and waiting a couple minutes before starting the other side for the lamp to cool down. There is no pain besides maybe feeling a little flick pinch and sometimes the smell of burning hair. It really is a great tool to use and I've seen results with just a handful of uses. After reading the instructions, I decided I would start with the lowest setting and see if I could handle the pain. I could, so I kept cranking it up until it hit the 5th setting. I could handle it. The first parts one tried the machine on were my feet. I had hair there too, forgot to mention that. I did my toes and my foot on the middle part, and let me tell ya, after the first time I was a believer. My hair was not growing as thick anymore and almost practically disappeared. I used to shave that part like every 2 weeks and now I won't have to. Next part one did were my hands. Same thing happened there, except those hairs were more resilient and took 2 to 3 sessions to make it where they look like they are gone. I was so happy. So a few days later I did just a little bit of my wrist up and just a tad above that. As you can see in the picture, my arm looks bald from where I messed with it because I wanted to compare the part where I had done to the part where I hadn't used the machine. It works. The last place I tried it was my leg. I got curious and shaved only a small patch of my leg close to my ankle. You can see it in the picture in the lower right. You can see that the hair surrounding the area I had done was already growing while the small patch where I had done was stagnant in growth. Again, I remind you that I have very dark and thick hair, so I can't speak for other hair types. I have to say I am impressed and am super happy I purchased this product because it was a good buy. I've noticed the hair doesn't grow as fast nor as dark. I can feel slight stubble, whereas prior to using this, at 3 weeks after a wax I'm definitely seeing hair growth. As a comparison, I've also used it on one of my hands. Did I mention I am really hairy? I feel like as of right now it's slowing RHE growth. Number 1. Bestidy Digital Wax Kit for Whole Body Hair Removal. This digital wax warmer is easy to use with an adjustable temperature dial. It prevents overheating, melting, and bubbling, ensuring a safe and reliable experience. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to melt the hard wax. The specially formulated natural wax beads minimize irritation and are safe for all skin types. This kit meets all your depilatory needs, working well on various hair zones. You can say goodbye to mess and inflammations. Our support team is ready to answer all your inquiries within 24 hours. Any issue with this home waxing kit will be resolved immediately. Please contact us directly via Amazon. Expect silky smooth skin for up to 4 to 6 weeks. This wax shrink wraps each follicle to remove even the shortest and most stubborn hair from the root. The skin stays smoother longer without any irritation. Compared to other options, the silicone wax pot and spatula are super easy to clean. Cooled wax can be removed cleanly in one solid piece without wiping and messing. What we like? This kit features an easy-to-operate digital wax warmer with adjustable temperature. The wax beans are specially formulated to minimize irritation and are safe for all skin types. If you like a kit that is easy to use and clean, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The wax warmer heats quickly and keeps the temperature steady, making the process smooth and comfortable. The hard wax beads work great for removing hair from all areas: Brazilian, bikini, legs, face, eyebrows, and armpits. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and much more convenient than going to a salon. The kit feels well made, and the results last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.